how many Indian gurus have promised or fulfilled for any type of expectations? In this particular period, only one person is talking about fulfillment for a universal expectation. So all those who are expecting a new Millennium Man's advent in this planet, they have to be extraordinarily brilliant, powerful. That's why King will nature, words meet together, souls gathering. Those who really want that type of fulfillment of a person who talks about a millennium evolution, he cannot be an ordinary person. That itself is a sign that extraordinarily personalities talk about their truth and follow their own conscience to feel their presence through their own ways of one perceiving it. Messengers of love and religion of yogic love for MESSOULS. Love to you all. I am here in this planet. I am the son of WARLESS Narayana.